Now that your wallet is set up and funded, let's walk through how to start stacking your STX to earn Bitcoin rewards. First of all, what is stacking? Stacking is part of a unique consensus mechanism called proof of transfer, which anchors the Stacks network directly to Bitcoin. Stacks miners compete to write the next block by sending Bitcoin as their bid. Instead of burning that BTC like in a proof of burn mechanism, it is transferred to stackers as a reward for locking their STX for a fixed period of time. By locking your STX, you help secure the Stacks network, and in return, you earn a share of the BTC that miners commit. Depending on your level of experience and STX holdings, there are several ways to stack. So first, you can stack directly through a crypto exchange. Platforms like Binance, Crypto.com, and OKX offer custodial stacking, meaning that they hold the STX and manage the process for you. Or you can join a pool using your Lether or Xverse wallets. Pooling lets you combine your STX with others, making it easier to meet the minimums. And at the end of each cycle, your share of BTC is paid out. And some of the most well-known pools include Chorus One, Fast Pool, Plan Better, and the Xverse pool. For more advanced users, liquid stacking might be the way to go. This method allows you to access your STX mid-cycle, unlike traditional stacking where your tokens are fully locked until the end of a given cycle. Platforms offering liquid stacking include Lisa and Stacking DAO. I'll demonstrate the two most popular ways of stacking, which is joining a pool and how to participate in liquid stacking. So first, let's look at joining the Xverse pool. Click Earn, either here in the Xverse extension window or on the left when you are in the expanded view. Then start stacking. You'll find a helpful FAQ section and details regarding registration, locking time, and a rewards calculator. Enter the amount of STX you want to stack. Note that there is a 500 STX minimum, and you'll see that your Bitcoin rewards address will populate automatically. When you're ready, confirm by clicking on Delegate and sign the transaction. Next, I'll walk you through joining a pool using your Lether wallet. So for this example, go to Fast Pool by connecting your Lether wallet to fastpool.org. And here you can stack directly through their site, or alternatively, you can use Lether's designated stacking and wallet management portal at app.lether.io. And this is a great option for managing everything in one place. So click on Stacking, scroll down, and again, I'll use the Fast Pool V2. Click Start Earning, enter the amount. There is a 40 stacks minimum here. And make sure to read through the details and information, confirm that you've accepted through the terms and conditions, then allow the pool contract to interact with your wallet. Sign the transaction, then confirm and approve the transaction. Here you can view and manage your positions. You can view position details, increase your pooling amount, or stop pooling. You'll see I'm also liquid staking with Lisa, which you can do at lether.io or on their site, app.lisalab.io. And for our final example, we'll look at the liquid stacking options with Stacking DAO. You can still do this on Lether, but for this example, we're going to do this through stackingdao.com. So open the app, connect your wallet, enter the amount of STX you'd like to stack, and choose your preferred stacking method. One of the main benefits of liquid stacking is that there are no minimums and rewards are automatically compounded. With Stacking DAO, you can even choose to receive your rewards in SBTC or STX, and you also still have the option to use native stacking, though the 500 STX minimum still applies. In this example, I'll choose to receive rewards in SBTC. Just confirm and sign the transaction to proceed. And when it's time to unstack your STX, you can either wait until the end of the current cycle, or if you'd like to access your funds immediately, you can pay a 1% fee to unlock your stacks instantly. So those are just a couple examples of how you can stack your STX for Bitcoin rewards for a 6 to 10% APY. And up next, we'll go over how to claim your .btc address using BNS, the Bitcoin name system.